Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Terra Luna video update for Tuesday. Oh my goodness, man! Just look at that red candle. So, how the mighty have fallen. So here we are with Terra Luna update. So I don't know the last time that I actually left. It was supposed to go upside, but then again, as I always talk about Bitcoin updates, I do say when you're trading your altcoins, no matter how good they look, no matter how amazing they look, they're always going to be destroyed because of Bitcoin, and that's something that is always happening with the altcoins out there. So here we are. So the last time that I talked about it, it was this left shoulder, the head here, and then we had a right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, which was a bullish pattern, and we were meant to go up to the $200 level. Now the issue is that the near technical target, I don't know, that I just gave was $131, which was never fully met. Let's actually further discuss right now what's about to happen with Terra. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you a bearish pattern that still appeared within a bullish pattern, and that bearish pattern was the first one that actually played out. So if I show you this, you do have a left shoulder, a head, and the right shoulder right over there. So this is a head and shoulders pattern, and that was really ugly, and then we started to actually drop to the downside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring in the neckline. So let's draw the neckline from there to there. That's the neckline that we saw. Now the thing is that on the daily we never really retested the neckline. There's maybe a chance to actually go to 76, but I don't think it's gonna have the ability to go to $76, and I'm going to tell you why in just a second. But let's see that where the technical target really is for Terra. So you go from the top here to the bottom right there, and this is where you're breaking out. The technical target was supposed to be $49, okay, but you actually crashed all the way to the downside instead. I don't even know what the hell just happened. So stop losses, man, stop losses are so important. So here we are, and this is $46 that I'm expecting Terra to actually go and have a relief to the upside, at least this much, to the 46, 45 region. That's where I'm expecting maybe the next 2 or 3 days, because that's where you have your last resistance right over there. So this is the place that it does make sense to make a pull to the upside. Actually $52 is what it seems possible to do. All right, now I just want to see if on the monthly time frame we have any bearish pattern, but it actually went to the very low that no one actually did expect. So here we are. This is the monthly time frame, and the last place for Terra, the best buying level for Terra, if it actually starts to dump to the downside, is at $19. If it ever comes to $19, man, I'm ready to actually jump into Terra. And I'm not saying it's really at a bad price at the moment, but it's looking so like as if Bitcoin is really bad. Okay, Bitcoin is bad on a monthly time frame. If next month we start to again dump, this last swing high is your next technical target, logically, which makes sense. But right now in the short term frame, I'm not saying it's gonna do that. But if we start to actually lose the lowest point right now, which is the $24, right? If you take the lowest, which we recently just went to $24, then that actually indicates the interest to go down to the $19. And that's where the biggest support really is. Lose the $19, the swing low is going to be support, which is $3.85. And that's the father of the bears, in my opinion. If it ever comes to $3.85, I mean, it's bad for the people who bought up here, but it's going to be excellent for people maybe want to be a millionaire the next time, the newbies, the people who are going to be stepping up into the market. So let's see what happens, guys. Finger crossed. We still have to go logical. I'm not trying to to say that it's that I'm completely bearish and stuff like that, but at this point of time, let's say pull back right back here to the 45 level and the 50 level. If that is something that Terra is looking to go to, or if you start to lose the $24, that means that it's not interested to make the pick to the upside. But nothing goes down forever, man. I think with this momentum, it could actually go back to 45. And that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.